Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today we're going to make the third version of fast food sauces. The other two versions are very popular, so in this video I'm going to show you 3 more recipes. And as always, the link for these recipes can be found in the info box below the video. The first sauce is a garlic sauce, so in a food processor or blender we're going to add 1 egg, garlic cloves, and a little bit of oil. We're going to cover it and turn it on until the garlic is finely chopped. And then while it's still on, we're going to add the rest of the oil very slowly until we get a nice thick texture, very similar to mayonnaise, because that's exactly what we're making. Now we're going to add either white vinegar or lemon juice, and then we season with salt and pepper to taste. We're going to mix it one more time. And now our sauce is ready, which is perfect for making sandwiches, burgers, any kind of fast food. The next sauce is an avocado sauce. So in a food processor or blender, we're going to add our avocados. We're also going to add 2 cloves of garlic and sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can also use plain yogurt. We're going to add lemon juice. And then finally, we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. We're going to cover it up and blend it until we get a nice smooth texture. And that's your recipe for making a delicious avocado sauce, which again goes really well with any kind of fast food. And then finally, we're going to make a delicious hamburger sauce. So in a medium bowl, we're going to mix mayonnaise with ketchup. We're also going to add regular mustard, sweet relish, onion powder, garlic powder, white sugar to balance all the acidity of the sauce, white vinegar, and then we season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a nice mix, and there you have it, a delicious sauce for serving burgers or sandwiches. Now, all of these sauces are going to last about 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge, especially if you store them in an airtight container. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.